Hello everyone, grab the top section of the hair, split them into 3 parts and have it braided in a thicker manner, and do it until you reach the bottom middle part and secure that with the rubber band. Then along with the braid, with the remaining section of the hair, hold it together and make a ponytail out of it. Split the tail into 2 parts and have a rubber band attach the middle part and create a loop in the middle one and drop the tail into it, making it as a twisted band. Combine both the tails together with another rubber band and stuff the tails into the middle one, making it as a bun, and move the bun to the top and hold it in place by dropping little hairpin on either side of the bun we created. Then also decorating it even further, dropping your lovely hairpin on top of each other. Hold your gorgeous hair from behind and have a rubber band attached to it, making a lovely ponytail, and split the tail into 2 parts and have each of them into 3 parts and have it braided in a thicker manner, and have both the braids combined together with another rubber band and create a loop in the middle one and drop the tail into it and move the bun to the top and hold it in place by dropping a very long hairpin and decorating even further, dropping your favorite hairpin in between. Grab the sides of your hair on the top section, tie it together with the rubber band. Grab the left section of the hair and make it as a braid. Do the same braiding on the right side and combine them together in the middle. Drop it inside the first loop we created, and at the first tail have a rubber band attached to it and drop the tail into it twice. Scrunch it to the top, covering the rubber band and drop in your favorite clutch. Make a bunch in the top section of the hair and have a rubber band. The middle part, create a loop in the middle one, drop the tail into it. Then have a section of the hair from the sides and tie in the middle of the rubber band and drop it inside the loop we created. Then do it one more time and drop it inside and have your beautiful hairpin attached in the middle of the braid. Comb your hair from the sides and tie in the middle of the rubber band and drop it inside for a twisted band. Grab another section of the hair right below it and do the twisted band once again. Then with the remaining section of the hair along the tail, split them into 2 parts and have each of them braided across each other in a thicker manner. Roll the braid and make it inwards and hold it in place by dropping little hairpin inside and dropping your favorite hair clutcher. Comb the left section of the hair, have a rubber band attached to the top middle part and create a loop and drop the tail into it. Combine both the tails together with another rubber band and have a rubber band attached to the top middle part of the tail and create a loop and drop the tail into it. Drop the entire tail into the first loop, making a heart and lump. Then hold the hair along with the remaining tail and have a rubber band attached to it and have another rubber band attached to the middle part and make a loop and drop the tail into it. Make the entire loop come around the lump we created and stuff the tail into the gap and have your beautiful hair clutcher on top of it. Make a bunch in the top section of the hair and have a rubber band attached to the middle part and create a loop in the middle one and drop the tail into it. Then have a left section of the hair go into the loop and have it come back to the left itself. Have the strip of hair attached to respective strips on either side on the section right below it. Beautiful hairpin attached on top of the rubber band. Comb the sides of your hair in the top section and have it attached to a rubber band. Have a rubber band attached to the top middle part and create a loop in the middle one and drop the tail into it. Drop it one more time into its parent loop, making a heart and lump. Make a ponytail and split the tail into 2 parts and have rubber bands on each of them. Create a loop and drop the tail into it. Combine both tails together with another rubber band and stuff the tail into the middle part, making as a bun, and move the bun to the top right under the lump we created and have it secure with a little hairpin. Comb the left section of the hair, split them into 3 parts. So once when you do the braiding, start pinching out the braid sides to that to get the loop either side. Do the same braiding on the right side and combine both the braids together with another rubber band and hold the tail along with the back section of the hair and make a ponytail out of it and have a rubber band attach the middle part of it and stretch the middle part, making it as a hollow shape. And after that, split the tail into 2 and make it to the top and cover the rubber band and secure with another rubber band and drop in your favorite hair clutcher. Thank you everyone for watching this video.